Learning objectives. After completing this module, learners will be able to discuss the life of farmers in India, explain the problems of farmers, analyze the problems of laborers in India, describe rural livelihood. Introduction. Farming. Farmers in rural India can be divided into three categories: big landlords, small farmers, landless farmers. Big landlords own a major portion of farmland in a village. They produce enough to take care of their family needs. Many big farmers also carry out related businesses like flour mills, shops for fertilizers and seeds. They also rent out their farm equipments like tractors and threshers to other farmers. Big farmers do not need to work on their farms. Rather, they hire laborers for various works. Small farmers produce just enough to meet their family needs. Most of the small farmers work on their fields. Some of them may hire laborers. Some of them may also work on others' farms to sustain their income. Landless farmers usually work on others' farms. All the family members of such farmers are engaged in manual work. Their earning is meager and is never enough to sustain the family. Farming in India generates employment on a seasonal basis. Workers are busy only during certain months of the year. Work is available during plowing, sowing, weeding, and harvesting times only. For the remaining months, the farm workers are without job. Many landless farmers go to nearby towns in search of work during the lean period. Due to employment generation programs of the government, many poor people get some work during construction of roads and check dams in nearby villages. Kalpattu village. Kalpattu in Tamil Nadu is a village near to the sea coast. Plowing is not done here. People are busy in activities like making pots, utensils, weaving baskets and making bricks in kilns. A number of shops like the tea seller, tailor, barber and those who agricultural labourers and farmers in India. Life in rural areas. Work in rural areas is found only in the harvesting season. People work as a daily labourers. Women have to do their domestic duties and even work outside. People find it difficult even to meet their base existence or basic necessities. About two-thirds of India's agricultural labourers are landless labourers. Since farmers do not have money, they fall in debt trap. Agricultural labourers and farmers in India. In India, only 20% of farmer can boast of a good lifestyle. Hoarding makes farmers suffer. Coastal area. People in coastal areas have to face a tough life. Fishing is their main occupation, but when the fishermen are out, it is not known whether they will come back or not. Fishermen are unsafe for 4 months during monsoon season. It is a lean period for the fishermen. There is constant battle for survival among majority of people in rural areas. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Work in rural areas is found only in the harvesting season. People work as daily laborers. Women have to do their domestic duties and even work outside. People find it difficult even to meet their base existence or basic necessities. About two-thirds of India's agricultural laborers are landless laborers. Since farmers do not have money, they fall in a debt trap. In